We are all doing it, the work undoubtedly which we want to like to do. Yes, watching videos for hour and hour, we spending our time not to we get bored. So why not to earn money while watching videos online? And the best thing is that you can choose the topic of your videos which you want to watch. So why not to watch your favorite videos and get paid at the same time? And the question that will reflect your mind, that why the websites will get you paid while you watching their videos. These of the websites are actually paid by other platforms by watching their videos, and these are the websites which are sharing the revenue while with the viewers. Actually, we are the viewers who are getting paid because of watching those videos. So guys, what are you waiting for? This is the time to get you paid doing something that you love to do. So just imagine, from the next time when you will be next to your computer, you will be get paid when you watch those videos on your computer or laptop, and increase your bank account just for watching videos. So isn't it the best way to make your money double just by the more you watch, the more you earn process? So hey there, I am Akash, you are watching BTech YouTuber. And before starting this video, I would like to tell you that please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel, as I always make videos regarding these interesting topics, and whenever I will be uploading videos, if you subscribe my channel, it will be get notified to you, which I believe that will definitely benefit you. So without wasting any more time, let's go straight into the laptop screen.
Before starting this trick, you need to have a PayPal account, because this website claims you to pay out through the PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go through like this. You need to select the individual account and then go to next. And after that, you need to give email ID, create your password, confirm password, and go to next. And as I have my PayPal account already been created, so I am skipping this step. But please notice that if you don't have a PayPal account, you need to first sign up from this side and then go to the next. So now coming back to the website which we are going to talking about. Friends, there are so many websites which claim you to pay you after watching videos. And also so many applications are there in the Play Store. But in reality, except 2 or 3 websites, they are all fake. They really not to pay you out. The first interface of this website will be like this. Now you need to go to sign up now. And as you selected the sign up option, you will come to an interface like where you have to give your email ID, username, password, and a phone number that you want to use it, and then tick these 2 options and then go to sign up. So as I have signed up all these processes, I am going to sign in now. Just now, after signing into this website, you can save this password, as I'm going to save this password from here. And you would like to come to an interface like their offer was SM Media. There are sponsors from where you can earn money. But the first option I would like to tell you guys today, that is earn by watching videos. So you need to go here and need to go videos, and you will come to an interface like this. And from here, our India is supporting Hideout TV. If you are from any of the country except India, then you can also choose this option, Video Fox. So as now I'm from India, so I'm choosing this Hideout TV, hideout.tv. And you can see that there are two options are there from which you can earn unlimited times. So the first option I'm going to like to choose that is food, and you can see that the video will not be stopped, it will be auto played for 24 hours, and you will be get paid after watching those videos. So I just clicking this option to get redirected to the videos, and here you can see that, and the Earnably website has redirected to the Hideout TV. So as of now, I'm going to play this video to earn money. So you can see that the video is going to be played, and if you go to rewards from here, and you can see that I have opened this account today in the morning, and I have already gained 4.5 points. If you go to redeem option from here, you will come to an interface where it is asking for you to again log in. As I have signed up this website previously, so I am going to log in right now, and it will again ask you to sign up in this account, Hideout TV. Please use the same email ID which you have used to sign up in the earnably.com. So please use the same Gmail ID. Going to log in, and after sign up to your hideout.tv, you will come to an interface where you can see that your link accounts are earnably.com. It will be possibly when you are using a same email ID to your earnably.com and the hideouttv.com. And after completion of your 15 hideout points, you can redeem your balance to earnably.com, and earnably.com pays you in this order. Let me show you the order. And as you can see that I'm again come to Earnably and going to redeem option. There are some more options. From here you can select the other options to get paid, but I am choosing right now for PayPal as I've shown you. So every 125 PTS it will get paid you $1, and if you redeem from the Hideout TV, don't need to get worried if your credit has not been created over here. As you can see this, it will be created automatically on the first day of every month. It will be automatically added to your Earnably dashboard, and you will be get paid. I think this video will be helpful for you, because this would be the genuine way to earn money by watching videos. Review so many website and application, but most of them are fake actually, so they will not get paid you. So I found this website after a long experiment. So you can definitely try this website for once and try to get paid a good amount of money by watching videos. So I'll be giving the link of the PayPal sign up account in my description. Go and check it out and make a PayPal account from there first, and then go to the earnably.com. I'll be also giving the link in the description, so go and check it out from there. And after signing up with the earnably.com, you also have to sign up with the hideout.tv, and then enjoy watching videos and earn to get paid. So this video is till this. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. And if you want more videos like this, how to earn money from home, I will be definitely uploading in future in my channel. So please subscribe my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and have a nice day.